These produced, and second largest UK multi-engine produced aircraft after the Wellington.
Originally designed and built as a four-seat airliner, feeder airliner. It was soon pressed into service and modified by Roy Chadwick, the design of the Lancaster. It was built in 1944 at Yaden in the UK by Avro, and then went to Australia, out to Bankstown. It's not far away from where you come from, is it not?
Just across the river. That is beautiful.
I think she stayed most of her civilian life in Australia, didn't she? Until Bill and Robin Reed saw her languishing and decided that would be a good rebuild project.
As a callow youth, I remember I was down at Moorabbin and Terry Brain